Okay. So, interruption. Okay. We've got to put these things in order. So we're going to talk about what these may be, and we don't have the answer key, so we're just going to have to do our best to put these into some categories. Okay, where do you think the Rocky Mountains would be found? Northern, northeastern, midwestern, southern, or western?
Midwestern.
Okay, so we're going to put number 1 there. All right. Hudson and Mohawk Rivers. What do you think? Which region? Hudson River?
Western. Or
What?
northern.
Northeastern, okay. Piedmont Plateau. And this is kind of a pretest, so it's fine if we don't know exactly where they are. We're just trying to go ahead and categorize them. Piedmont Plateau.
Western.
Okay. Maine. Where would Maine, the state of Maine?
Northern.
Okay. Where would the Ozarks be found?
Midwest.
Arizona.
Southern.
Think about where it's located on the map. Arizona is kind of over here.
Northeast.
It's kind of over here, back up California, Colorado, all that.
Western.
That would be to our west, yeah. Okay. Louisiana Purchase. So Louisiana. Where would that be? Where's Louisiana?
Southern.
Yep, it'd be down here, close to where we are. All right, Lake Champlain. So we're thinking about the Great Lakes up in the top part of the country.
Midwest. Or northern.
Northeast, yeah. It's kind of, it'd be close to the Midwest. Mount McKinley. It's in Washington State.
Northeast. Or midwestern.
It'd be in the western. All right. Reconstruction after the Civil War. So the Civil War happened in the southern part of the United States and in the northern part. Where is the Reconstruction? Mainly between the Northeast and
Southern.
Yeah. Good. Now, what about the Industrial Revolution? Where the first
Northern.
metal? Yeah, good. The breadbasket of the United States.
Midwest.
These other Great Lakes, Superior, Michigan, and Huron.
Northern.
Oklahoma.
Midwest.
Good. The Great Plains.
Northern.
We'll think about where's the
Western.
flattest part. Well, you have some mountains out there. It could really be either one. So I would say it could be here or in the Midwest. Think about where most of the tornadoes happen in the Midwest, where everything's real flat. Because if there are mountains and whatever, the tornadoes would get kind of dissipated or they break apart. Massachusetts Bay Colony. Where's Massachusetts?
Southern.
Think about the state.
Western.
We're going to get a globe out. It's up in the Northeast. It's over there in those little clump of states, Massachusetts, Connecticut, New Jersey, Rhode Island, all these little states.
Yeah.
Columbia, Snake, and Yukon rivers. What does that sound like? Snake River.
Western.
Mississippi, Savannah, and Shenandoah
Southern.
rivers, yep. Where's Illinois located?
Southern.
They break it apart, it'd really be more like right here in this area. And then Idaho.
Midwest.
Okay, so which one of our categories had the most information?
Midwest.
Midwest. And which one had the least amount of information?
Southern.
Okay, So let's look at number 7. How can we state that instead of it being a statement, how can we make that into a question?
Mm-hmm.
How could we take, instead of saying select the region where the Louisiana Purchase can be found, how could you make that into a question? So that you could ask that a different way if it was on a test. Like if it was gonna be fill in the blank, what would the question, how would the question be?
Where can?
Okay, so what would it be? Where can,
Rocky Mountain rain, or
number 7, where can,
the Illinois Purchase can be found.
okay. Now, would you want it to be like this, or would you want to put in exactly what those words are, like that?
Okay.
Okay, so what if we did, what region can the Louisiana Purchase be found?
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, that would make a little more sense, because otherwise, where can the Louisiana Purchase be found? It's not as specific, and we wouldn't know. This tells us we're looking at a region of the country, so it's a little bit more specific.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at number 10. How could you make that into a question if it was fill in the blank?
Where can?
Mm-hmm. Or what region? Let's see, number 10. What region was the Reconstruction in after the Civil War? Okay, and then let's do 17.
Where is?
Okay. You could say where is or where are, since there's more than one. The Columbia, Snake, and Yukon rivers located. All right, very good. Good. So you see how we changed it from statements into questions, so that if you had them as questions on the test, it's the same information but just presented a different way. Did it help putting it like this, breaking them down into sections instead of having them all like this, so if you had to learn them this way, you could learn them more by the region instead of just all that? Okay, very, very good. All right, we're going to take just a little bit of a break for about 5 minutes, and then we'll work on the last part we need to for today. Okay, good deal.